Dear student, welcome. Good morning, all of you. 14.4. Here you will be find out the mean, median, mode. So that first question is that is the following number of the goal were scored by the team in a series of 10 matches. Find the mean, median, mode of these score. So that first is mean. Mean is equal to sum of data upon number of data. Number of data, that is sum of data means you will write the 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 upon total number of data is 10. Number of data is 10. That we will do the sum. 3 to 5, 5, 10, 14, 15, 15, 3, 18, 21, 21, 25 and then 28. 28 upon 10. That will be 2.8 answer. That will be 2.8. This will be the answer. And then median. Median. That will be median. For median we will write here first data in ascending order. Data in ascending order. That is in ascending order. Or you can write in that descending order also. No problem will be there. And then first is a 0. Only one time is there. And then 1. This is also one time. Then 2. 2 is also one time. And then 3. That is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 time is there. 3, 3, 3, 3. And then 4. One time. 2 time is there. 4, 4. And then 5. Only one time is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Data has come. Now median. Median is equal to that. Sorry, just wait. N is equal to that is a 10. That is even. Even. So median. Median is equal to that is n upon 2 th term plus n upon 2 plus 1 th term whole upon 2. So n is that is a 10 upon 2 th term and then plus 10 upon 2 plus 1 th term whole upon 2. That is 5 fifth term plus that is 10. 2 5 is 10 plus 1 6th term. 6th term whole upon 2. That is you will see here 5th term. You will see 5th place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a 3 and 6 is also 3. So 3 plus 3 upon 2 that is 6 upon 2. 2, 3 ja. That is a 3 answer. And then mode. Mode. That mode is a very easy. That mode is see the most frequency. 3 is a most frequency. So that is mode. Okay. Question number 2. That will be also same. Mean you can find that question number 2. In a mathematics test given to 15 students, the following marks out of 100 are recorded. Find the mean, median and mode. That is mean. Mean is equal to sum of data or observation we can write also and number of data. So everything we will write in plus. Everything you will be write in plus here and then after that will become 15. You will write that thing in plus 41 plus 39 so ever upon you will write the 15 and then by the calculation that your answer will come. And then for mean, data in ascending order, that ascending order, that will be, first is the smallest, we will take that, so that which is the smallest, 39 is the smallest, yes, 39, and then 40 is one time also, and then 41 is also, that is also one time, 40 is two time that, 40 is two time that, and then 41 is one time is there, and then 42 is also one time is there, 42, and then 43 is not looking here, and then 44 is also not looking, 45 is also not looking here, and then 46, 47 is also not looking here, 48 is looking here, 48 then 49 is also not, 49, 50 is not also looking, 52 is looking three time, 1 2 3 time, 52, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 has come, 5 is left, and then 52, after 52 that will be 53 not looking here, 54 is one time is there, 54, 56 is not, 50, and then after 60 is there, 62 is there, and then 62, that is 96, and then 98. Okay, so median is equal to n is equal to 15. So median is equal to, that's a very simple, that will be n plus 1 upon, that is a odd. If that will be odd, then you will apply that formula, n plus 1 upon 2 th term, so that n is 15 plus 1 upon 2, that is 16 upon 2 th term, that is 8th term. So that 8th term you will count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, that is a 52 answer, and then mode is equal to, you are looking very simple, mode frequency is 52, so that is a 52. One thing also you can see there, if two things are same, if two things will become same like this, suppose that will be 54, that will be 54, in that case both will be the mode, okay. And then question number 3, Question number 3 is that one. The following observation has been given arranged in ascending order. If the median of that data is 63, find the value of x. And then observation is given that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N is equal to, that is 10. That is a even. So we will apply the larger formula, median is equal to, that is n upon 2 th term plus n upon 2 plus 1 th term whole upon 2. That median is given that 63. So 63 you will be right here. So n is 10 upon 2 th term plus that 10 upon 2 plus 1 th term whole upon 2. Sorry, 63 that one, and then 63 2 ja 3 2 ja 6 or 6 2 ja 12 is equal to fifth term plus that is sixth term, and then 126 is equal to fifth term you will be see in your book 1 2 3 4 5 x, and then sixth term is that x plus 2, and then 126 minus 2 that will become this side is equal to that is a 2x, x plus x 2x. So 124 upon 2 that will be x, 2 6 ja 2 2 ja. So x is equal to that will be 62 answer. X is equal to 62, that will be the answer. And then fourth question, that mode you can find it, find the mode of the frequency. So most frequency is that one, I am looking here 14 14 14 14 14 is given, 14 the most frequency is that mode is equal to 14. So fourth question mode is equal to 14 because 14 is the most frequency. So last question, fifth question is that find the mean. So mean, we will find the mean. So that is a salary, and then that is a number of workers we can write in F. In F that will be X, and then F. That 300, so 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, that is 8000, 9000, and then 10,000, and then that frequency that 16, just wait, that is total, also we will write here total. So that frequency is that 16 12 10, 16 12 10 8 6 4 3 1, and then total is given, that is 60. And then this is the f into x, so that 16 3 ja 48, and then 1 2 3 0, 12 4 ja 48, then 1 2 3 0, then 5 1 ja 5, 1 2 3 4 0, 8 6 ja 48, 1 2 3 0, 6 7 ja 42, 1 2 3 0, 8 4 ja 32, 1 2 3 0, 9 3 ja 27, 1 2 3 0, and then 10 1 ja 10, 1 2 3 0, and then some of these also will become 0 0 0, 8 8 16, 8 3 24, 25 26 27 28, 28 29 30, and then 35, 3 carry, and then 4 3 7, 7 4, 11 5 16, 20 27, 28 29 30, that is 30. Now mean is equal to sigma f x upon sigma f. So this is the sigma f and this is the sigma fx. So that will be 3500 upon that is 60. 0 cancel by 0. So that 6 5 ja 30, and then that will be 0, then the 8 ja 6 ja 48, and then that is 3 ja and decimal 3 3, because it can't be cancelled. So that is 3 answer. Okay, and I give the example of the situation in which the mean of appropriate measure of center tendency, the mean of not appropriate measure of center tendency, no need to that one. Okay.